What's going on, guys? Got a GE refrigerator that's not making ice, and the ice maker is turned on and it's rotating. We're just not getting any water up to it, so it's going to be the water inlet valve. Got the refrigerator unplugged, pulled out, got the water off, and our inlet valve is going to be right here. So we're going to be unhooking that, and we got a new one. There's our new one. So you just want to take this back cover off so we can get to the old inlet valve here and get it changed out. Alright, there's our old one. Just want to unplug the harness and then unhook your water line on top right here and unhook your water line down here. Alright, we got the harness unplugged. That just pulls out. Now I broke this free here, this little lock nut. Just pull this water line out. Just pulls out of there like that, and then the other line on the bottom, you want to push this little clear ring here. You want to push that up and then pull this out. Alright, this clear ring, push that in and then just pull this line out. Get a little bit of water. And there's the old valve. So we get in here, get the new one out. Now I don't need this line. I don't need to reuse this line here. The old one's just fine. Now we'll get our new one set up here. Get this hose, push it in till you hear it click. There we go. This little cap on top here, just pull that off. And we'll put our water line back in. Plug this back in. Alright, we got it back in. Just set it back in place, line it up, put the screw in. Good to go. Now we'll put the cardboard back, plug it in and turn the water on. Alright, we got everything plugged in, water's back on, and we sped up the ice making process here, just waiting for those to make a full rotation down, and then we'll listen for some water to come out of there and fill up this pan here, this little thing right here. There we go. Got the water. Ready to make some ice. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.